you gone to visit your loved one in a nursing home and got the feeling that something was just not quite right? Your hunch may be right, and if it is, your loved one may be suffering from abuse at the hands of the people that are supposed to be making their lives more comfortable. Nursing home abuse is a serious crime. It's hard to believe, but everyday people are abused in nursing homes in Kentucky. When this happens, it is critical that you get immediate help to stop the abuse from happening to the people you care about and other residents in the home. One of the first steps you should take is to talk to your loved one. While you talk to them about your concerns, document any change in behaviors, bruises or sores you see, and the last time they ate, drank water, or received their medication. Keeping detailed notes about your loved one's experience in the nursing home can help you form a strong case if they are being abused. The next person you can talk to is the manager of the nursing home. This person can investigate your concerns and may find that one of their employees is causing more harm than good. If this still does not solve the problem, it is important that you contact a nursing home abuse lawyer. At Gray & White, we know the risks elderly people face in nursing homes. We have the tools and resources to investigate your claims and find answers to your concerns. Call us today to schedule a free consultation. We will help you understand what the best route to take is so that you can help your loved one live a happy, comfortable life in their home.